On the most recent exam in Professor Sochi's class, 5 students earned a score of at least 95%. 13 students earned at least 90%. 27 students earned at least 85%. And 50 students earned at least 80%. How many students earned a score of at least 80% and less than 90%? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key idea is that these are cumulative counts. Each group is nested inside the next. Everyone who scored at least 90% also scored at least 85%. And at least 80%. So the counts pile up as we lower the cutoff. Let's picture it as bars, all lined up on the left. 50 students scored at least 80%. So that is the longest bar. Inside it, 27 scored at least 85%. 13 scored at least 90%. And only 5 scored at least 95%. We want the students who scored at least 80% but less than 90%. That is everyone in the at least 80 group, minus the ones who reached at least 90%. Look at the strip between the 50 bars and the 13 bars. That is the group we want. So we subtract 50 who scored at least 80%, minus 13 who scored at least 90%, leaves 37 students. 37 students scored at least 80% and less than 90%.